Hey Divi Nation, happy Monday. Welcome to another installment of our weekly Divi Design Initiative. And this week we have a brand new Divi Layout Pack for you. Kenny and the team have created a delightful T-shop layout pack. It has 8 pages included, which will easily take any online T-shop to the next level. The design is refreshingly clean, and it has a modern use of subtle textured backgrounds, which I really like. It also has a classic font that gives the site a prestigious feel. And the photography is absolutely delightful and of course free for you to use without restriction, even for commercial use. Go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how to use the layout pack on your own website. To use the T-shop layout pack for your own website, you can easily import the page layouts directly from the Divi Builder. Before you can load pre-made layouts though, you need to make sure and authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go to Divi Theme Options from your WordPress dashboard, and then click on the Updates tab, and then enter your username and API key. The API key and username is connected to your Elegant Themes membership, and you can find the API key under your members area under the Account tab. The next step is to go ahead and add a new page to your website by going to Pages, Add New. I'm going to add a landing page first. Then you're going to click on to use the Divi Builder and then use the Visual Builder. After that, I'm going to go down here to the Settings menu and then click on the Add from Library icon there. Then you'll see under the Pre-Made Layouts tab all of your layouts that are available for you to import to your page. Scroll down to the T-shop layout pack, click on it, and you can choose which of the page layouts that you want to import. I'm going to use the landing page, so I'm going to click on Use this layout. After that, go ahead and delete the section that is there by default, and there's your layout ready for you to use and customize however you want. Keep in mind that the shop module is being used on this layout pack to display some of the products, and this is dependent on you having WooCommerce installed, so make sure that you have WooCommerce installed and activated, and that you also have products added so that you can see these elements displayed on the page. After you have imported your page layout successfully, go ahead and publish it. And then continue this process to create all of the 8 page layouts to your website. And once all page layouts have been added to your site, you'll see them collected up here in your primary navigation bar. At this time, it would be a good idea to go ahead and create a new menu. So to go over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Menus, then add a new menu by putting in your menu name, call it Primary. Click Create Menu. You're going to go over here to your Pages section here and select all of the pages. These are all the new page layouts that you added, and now we can go ahead and add those to our menu structure over here and then organize them however we want. Don't forget to click Primary Menu as your display location and Save Menu. Once you're done, you will see the new primary menu show up in your navigation bar. And one last thing I want to mention is that you want to make sure that your home page layout that you added is actually going to stand as your static page homepage for your website. To do that, you will go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, and then to Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for homepage, select the home layout that you created. Once done, click Save Changes. That's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I know that you don't want to miss out on any future giveaways, so please be sure to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook so that you can get notified every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.